take this fruit, little friend.
Oh, yay!
Just be careful not to eat too much at once.
Thanks, officer!
Hooray!
Viewers, today I'm bringing you an amazing 3D cartoon niche that has incredible viral potential. Just look at these videos. They look absolutely fantastic. The best part is that I generated all of these videos using a 100% free AI tool. So don't worry, there's no paid tool involved. Everything is created with a completely free AI tool. As you can see, this 3D cartoon niche looks amazing and has huge potential. Now, without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open YouTube and search for the channel Zed Animals. Oh my god, viewers, this channel is absolutely incredible. You can see how trending and viral this content is. As you can see, this channel has 23.4K subscribers and has uploaded only 138 videos. Now comes the really crazy part. Is this channel monetized? Let's find out. Simply copy the channel link and open Social Blade. After opening Social Blade, paste the channel link into the search bar. And look at these results, viewers. This channel is 100% monetized. According to Social Blade, its estimated monthly earnings range from 6K to 97K, and the yearly estimate goes from approximately 1.2K to 20K. That shows just how massive the opportunity is. Now let's go back to the YouTube channel and click on the popular section. Look at these views: 3.4 million, 3.1 million, 2.8 million. That means this 3D cartoon niche is not only fully monetizable, but it also has incredible viral potential. The results are amazing, the audience engagement is excellent, and the content performs extremely well. The best part is that I'm going to teach you how to create the same style of high-quality 3D cartoon videos using a 100% free AI tool. Now let's move to the most important part, the master prompt. I've already created this master prompt for you, and you'll find the download link in the description below. This master prompt contains 10 amazing scenes, carefully designed one by one. After the scenes, you'll also get image prompts, video prompts, and voiceovers. Everything you need is included in one place. Simply download the master prompt from the description. Next, copy all the scenes and open ChatGPT. Paste everything into ChatGPT, and before sending the prompt, add the instruction: give me image plus video plus voiceover for all 10 scenes. When I submitted the prompt, ChatGPT automatically divided the output into two parts. Part 1, scenes 1-5, Part 2, scenes 6-10. I simply replied with yes to generate Part 1. And look at this. ChatGPT instantly generated all 5 scenes with detailed image prompts, cinematic video prompts, and kids-friendly voiceovers. Then I asked for Part 2, and it generated scenes 6 through 10 in exactly the same format. This way, all 10 scenes are ready with professional image prompts, video prompts, and voiceovers. Viewers, these prompts are absolutely amazing. They generate beautiful 3D animated movie-style results with stunning quality and consistent characters. Now, let's move on to the image generation section and start creating these incredible scenes. Okay, viewers, now simply open the Gemini AI website. The great thing is that Gemini AI has become incredibly powerful when it comes to AI image generation. After opening the website, I'll simply paste my first image prompt. Then I'll set the aspect ratio to 16.9 and click Generate. Now let's take a look. My first image has started generating. We'll wait for a few seconds. And oh my god, viewers, look at this result. My first 3D cartoon-style image is ready. Just look at the quality. The image is incredibly detailed, vibrant, and looks like a professional animated movie scene. Now let's generate the second image. I'll simply copy the second prompt, paste it here, and click the Generate button once again. As you can see, the generation has started. We'll wait for a moment. And here it is. Wow! This result looks absolutely amazing. You can see how beautifully Gemini AI has created this dramatic 3D cartoon scene with rich colors and excellent details. Now let's move on to the third image. I'll paste the third prompt, click Generate, wait for a few seconds, and there we go. Our third image is ready. Next, it's time for the fourth image. I'll paste the fourth prompt and click Generate once again. After a short wait, look at this, viewers. Our fourth image is also ready, and once again, the quality is outstanding. Finally, I'll generate 1 or 2 more images to complete the image generation section. As you can see, Gemini AI delivers excellent image quality. You can continue pasting your prompts one by one and generate as many images as you want. I only generated 5 or 6 scenes as an example to show you the overall quality. Now you can clearly see the final results. Every image looks beautiful, highly detailed, cinematic, and extremely engaging. Once all the images are ready, simply download each one and save them to your computer. We'll need these images for the next step because now we're moving on to the video generation section. For that, let's open the Flow AI website. Okay, viewers, after opening the Flow AI website, the first thing you need to do is upload all the images you generated in the previous step. Once your images are uploaded, it's time for the most exciting part, turning those images into animated videos. Simply select the Veo 3.1 Lite model. Then choose your first image, paste the corresponding video prompt, and click the Generate button. As you can see, the first video has started generating. All you need to do now is be patient and wait for the generation to finish. And now, look at this result, viewers.
Move, rookie! Get out of the way! I can't! It's right behind me! Fire on my mark! Don't look back!
Our first video is ready, and it looks absolutely incredible. Just look at the smooth animations, the cinematic quality, the character movements, and the overall storytelling. Everything comes together beautifully. This is exactly why I always recommend Flow AI. It's an amazing tool that consistently delivers high-quality results. Now let's generate the second video. I'll simply select the second image, paste its video prompt, and click Generate once again. After waiting for a few moments, our second video is ready. Take a look at the result. Once again, the animation quality is fantastic, and the story feels smooth, engaging, and cinematic. Now I'll continue generating the remaining scenes one by one using the same process. After a little while, all of my video generations are complete. Now you can see the final results. Every scene has been transformed into a beautiful animated video with smooth character animation, cinematic camera movements, and professional quality visuals. One of the best things about Flow AI is that it's completely free to get started. It gives you daily free video generations, making it an excellent choice for beginners who want to create high-quality AI animations without spending money. If you have multiple email accounts, you can also use them to access additional free credits, allowing you to create even more videos. Once all your videos are generated, simply download them and save them to your computer. Finally, open CapCut or any video editing software of your choice, import all your generated clips, add your voiceover, background music, and sound effects, and your animated video will be ready to publish. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial and discovered some useful AI tools that will help you create amazing 3D animated videos. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with another exciting AI idea. Goodbye.